Hello everyone and welcome to channel M.c.F.a.e, where manifestations come fast and easy when love is aligned with the mind. My name is Nanya Ojibe and this channel is all about higher vibrations. Now today in this video I'm discussing that in order for our manifestations to come to us fast and easy, we need to know that it is much more than positive thinking and happy thoughts. So if you're serious about manifesting your dream life, or if you just want a better understanding, stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome back to this video, and thank you so much for staying tuned. If you are feeling the vibe, please remember to show some love and like and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. So jumping right back into this video, yes, our manifestations come to us fast and super easy, but it won't come that fast if we're only moving with our positive thinking and trying to be happy, have happy, optimistic thoughts all the time. That is not really how we manifest. We can manifest that way, but it will take a lot more effort and it takes a little bit more time. So the easiest and fastest way that we can manifest our true desires, get that dream life that we've been dreaming, is to first become the thing that we wish to desire, become the thing that we wish to have manifest. We need to simply act as if, because when we act as if, we are allowing our actions, our behavior to take control of our emotions and our feelings. And studies actually show that that is how we manifest. That is how we bring things into fruition. That it's not actually our feelings and emotions that guide our actions. It's actually our actions that guide our feelings and emotion. Now, when I first looked into this study, I was a little confused because I can be in a bad mood, but if somebody hands me $100 million, which is the action, I'm instantly going to feel happy. And that's, the emotions and feelings. So I didn't get where that was coming from, but it has been proven over and over with different studies and a lot of different theories that our actions control how we feel, and our emotions and our feelings are so strong that it sends out a vibration, and that vibration is what we use to manifest. That vibration is instantly going to attract to the things that we desire, and it's going to bring it back into our reality. And a couple of studies that really kind of took it home for me is that if you smile, just smiling, just smile right now, that will instantly boost up your mood. And that's the action of smiling instantly change your emotions. It instantly change your feelings and put you in a better vibration, put you in a better mood. So essentially, you aren't smiling because you feel happy. You're actually happy because you are smiling. That is how the principle of acting as if works. That is how becoming the thing you wish to manifest is brought into fruition. So if you want quality in your life, if you want luxury in your life, if you want more laughter, more relationships, more support, you have to first become that. You have to first act as if it's already done, if you already have it. You have to first become supportive. You have to first become more loving to yourself. You have to first find laughter and joy from within. Nothing is manifested from looking outside of itself. Everything first happens when we feel it within ourselves. A lot of the times, and I'm definitely one of them, we can fall victim to our emotions and how our emotions control our behavior and have our emotions tell us what we're going to do. Have our emotions and our feelings tell our mind how we're going to act within that moment. A lot of people are reactive. Like if someone just says something to you and you're instantly angry, so you're going to react and hit them physically or physically harm them, or maybe say something really mean to hurt their feelings because they hurt yours. When we do that, we fall prey to our emotions and allowing whatever is happening outside of us to control how we feel within ourselves. But we are so much powerful than that. And when we get our mind aligned with our actions, that is instantly how we create. That is the key to being a co-creator, putting our thoughts into action. Manifesting our desires with just simply positive thinking and happy thoughts is so difficult because in this society, we are not programmed that way. Studies have shown how difficult it is for the average person to think positive and have happy thoughts, especially when we're watching the news or when we're scrolling in Instagram or, other social media platforms. That's not necessarily the narrative that we see every day, especially when maybe having a bad attitude or, being too cool for school is actually a good thing, and being happy and positive is frowned upon. And I can attest to that. I always been like an optimistic, happy person, and I was always frowned upon. I was always looked at as like, you're doing a lot, like you're doing too much, relax. Life isn't always great. The cup is not always full. It's actually empty. Because reality, if you just really just stick in the reality of the moment, you can think that. But why? When we are filled with faith, when things can change tomorrow, why think about how many things can go wrong when there are also so many things that can go right? I just recently met up with a friend that I haven't seen in a couple of weeks, and I had the biggest smile on my face. I was so happy to see her. And she actually looked at me like I was crazy and said, "Why are you smiling so hard?" Like, if I didn't already process my emotions, I probably would have been like, oh my gosh, insecure about that. Like, why am I smiling hard? But it was like, girl, I am happy to see you. So you're going to get these cheeks and you're going to get this full smile because that's how I'm coming. But it has been proven that our actions, our behavior actually do affect our emotions. A psychologist from Florida Atlantic University found that people that take longer strides and hold their head up when they walk are actually happier and have a higher self-esteem than people that take shorter strides and hold their head down when they walk. The ones that watch their feet. Those are signs that they're not necessarily feeling good inside, but only if they were to just hold their head up when they walk. It would instantly boost their confidence. It would instantly boost their mood and self-esteem. Even philosopher William James stated how powerful our behavior can be when influencing our feelings and emotions. Now, to back up this theory, psychologists conducted a study of two groups of men. They wanted to see if the actions really did affect how they felt emotionally, how they felt with their feelings. Now, we all know when we see someone we're attracted to, when we see someone we like, we come alive. Our heart rate beats just a little bit faster. So with this study of two groups of men, the first group of men was told to look at videos of very attractive women speaking about their hobbies, speaking about things that they like, how they cater to men, something to get their juices flowing. Now, the second group of men, they were told to run on a treadmill to automatically get their heart rate already up. And after they were finished, they were given the same videos of the same group of gorgeous women speaking on their hobbies. And the results of this study was crazy because it showed that the second group was actually more interested and more attracted to the ladies in the video than the first group was. And the only difference is they already were stimulated. Their heart rates were already racing. So with their heart rates already racing, they automatically felt like they were more attracted to the ladies in the video. So if you're doing things, if you want to be happy and you just want to fall in love, start doing things with your partner that maybe will get you guys both excited. Both maybe take a run together or go to a theme park, go hiking, go even to a scary movie. Anything that would get your heart rate already racing because you're already vibrating the emotions of feeling attracted to someone. You're already vibrating the emotions of being in love. Get in tune with yourself to know how you feel when you are happy, to know how you feel when you are living a life of luxury. What do you feel like? Who do you become? Do you become a little fancier? Do you stand up a little taller? If so, then do that on a regular basis. Implement that way of being in your daily life. State aloud all of your affirmations and say it with conviction. Say it stating, I am first. When you say I am, it's already a sense of ownership. That right there will affect the vibrating you're sending out into the reality, into your reality, into the universe. Taking action and saying your affirmations out loud with conviction will also influence what you believe on top of how you feel. So once you say these affirmations out loud, maybe get real close, get real personal with yourself. Look at yourself in the mirror and stating these affirmations, it can instantly change your belief. And with changing your belief, it would instantly help you feel better. And that again will send positive vibrations into the universe. So guys, even if you're not even feeling well, if you're feeling depressed, if you're feeling a little down, just smile. Just stay in that moment and smile. You'll probably even catch yourself starting to think about other things you can smile about because your mind is following what you're doing, how you're behaving, how you're going to show up into the universe. You need to realize that is how powerful you are. Get clear about how you're coming. Get clear about who you want to be. And when you do that, I promise you will watch your manifestations come to you fast and easy. All right, y'all. I love you so much. Thank you for staying tuned. See you next week.